Yo, 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 hip hoppers and beboppers, it is time to take that entire drum kit and shove it in your mouth, and it's gonna come out sounding like amazing beats. First off, we want that big, boomy, yummy bass drum. You're gonna take the letter D, 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 and the sound it makes, and make it low, dum, 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 dum. Dum, 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 dum. Next, we have a nice, crispy snare drum. We're going to take the letter K, 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 and the sound it makes, and make it drier and crispier. Next, we also have this shimmery, sparkly ride cymbal. This is two separate letters, but they're best friends and they want to hang out all the time. Separately, they're T and S, and together they sound like tss, 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 tss. Now the next one's a little tricky. There's two more letters, but they don't get along. They don't like each other at all. They're always like, stop touching me, leave me alone, get out of my space, stop touching me. So we have to keep them separate. This one goes T, and this one goes K. And you have to keep them separate like a ticking clock, ticking clock, ticking clock. Tick, 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 tick. Now, you've earned a special ending because you've worked really hard. This is everybody's favorite 3 letters that are best friends forever. They sound together, and they're gonna make that big rock and roll crash cymbal at the end of our big rock and roll song. Well, you can probably tell by looking at the colors that I've made you a pattern. That's absolutely right. So now we're going to put our super awesome vocal drumming, our beatboxing, into practice. First note is going to be doom. Second note is going to be k. Third note's going to be doom. You know it's a pattern, right? So you know what comes next, right? Last note's going to be k. And now we're going to get to practice with some music. We're going to sound like real rappers and beatboxers. You can just join along with me. We're going to repeat the pattern on the beat. Here we go. Doom, 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 doom. Now, am I nice or evil? Super evil. So did you think I was going to let you get away with that simple of a pattern? Of course not. Let's try something with that big fancy ending. First sound will be tss. Second sound will be tss. This next sound will be tk. And the last sound will be ksh. Here we go. Tss, tss, tk, ksh, tss, tss, tk, ksh, tss, tss, tk, ksh, tss, tss, tk, ksh. Oh, I'm feeling even extra evil, guys. I think I should make a pattern with all 4 different notes. Ooh, Miss Susan, you are so super mean. The first note's gonna be doom, and the second note's gonna be k, and the third note's gonna be tss, and the last note's gonna be ksh. Here we go. Doom, k, tss, ksh, doom, k, tss, ksh, doom. doom, for the last pattern. Oh, so evil. Yes, Miss Susan, how can you do this to us? The first note is gonna be doom, and the next note's gonna be k, and the next notes are gonna be t, k, and the last note's gonna be ksh. Make it good, y'all. Doom,